Y'all, so I just filmed that video for you guys, and I just realized I did a cute little head scarf thing with one of my scarves that I'm giving away, and I'm mad that my wig looked cuter now than it did in the video, but that's it. Enjoy. Hot? Hey y'all, don't judge me, okay? Just braided down my hair. So starting next week, I will be working from home, and I said that I would clean out my closet before I move to an apartment, which I hope happens in the next couple months. But the way this stuff is going right now in the world, I'm not rushing. So I want to clean out my closet. I'm thinking I should start today by, oh, should I try on all my closet? You know what? Because that would be a very long video, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to, all the things I know I do not want to keep, I'm going to just throw it on the floor. All the things that I think I want to keep, but I'm like, Kimberly, do you really? Those are the things that I will try on for you guys. So let's get started. This is like second video I filmed today or something, and I really don't want to move my tripod. Ooh, maybe I can use my mini tripod. I'm gonna throw everything in my filming area right hither. I'm also cooking ramen right now, so.
Are going to be worth.
I love these.
I am going to be selling them for $50 and I will.
Okay, so I just think I got all the clothes that I'm about, and I'm going to transport them into the filming room. So I just moved everything, and I need to do laundry and stuff, so I still have that stuff to go through. I realize I still need to go through my drawers, and so like my t-shirts and my laundry, but I will get back to that after I eat. So guys, I decided to pick up my camera and talk to you guys. Today I was gonna see my boyfriend, and he does not live in the same county as me, and my cousins were telling me that our county is on lockdown as stay-at-home order, and that's sad for me because my boyfriend doesn't live in the same county, and I was getting ready to see him today, and he doesn't have a car, and he's not with family right now, so he's literally going to be in his house for like a month. And I bought him all the stuff like food and everything, and I can't see him, so I'm really kind of sad about that. I just found out recently. Kind of wish I didn't find out, so I'll just go and not feel any way about it. But my main thing is getting pulled over. I think that's the biggest fear. I had a day planned for you guys. I was gonna finally do the chicken sandwich challenge, but yeah, I don't see that happening right now. So I think I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I want to show you guys the outfit I planned. So I was gonna wear my Lord t-shirt, right? Then I was going to do my new camo pants and my red bag to tie in the red, and I wasn't sure what shoes I was gonna do, but now it doesn't matter anymore. So I'm gonna change into sweats and head to the grocery store. And I found my plain mask because all my other ones have words on it that just, yeah. So found my plain one, and then I'm just gonna head to the grocery store since I'm already dressed, and put a hat on because I braided my hair down for no reason. I'm kind of sad, but I'm gonna eat his food. Love you, babe. So I forgot to show you guys the final result of my room cleaning escapade that I did. My room's very clean right now. I'm very happy. So let me take you on a trip. All my clothes hung, my shoes in order, Jackie on the TV, all my bags, wigs, hats, reduced my jewelry, sunglasses, snacks. I haven't made my bed. I don't really make my bed, so this is my dryer. The cords are just everywhere. It makes it look cluttered, but it's not. And then my vanity, aka my coffee table, is cleaned off. But this is the most important part, my clean floor. These are like my Korean books and some other things that I like to reach for, so I just have them on the floor. And actually, my closet is very clean, very happy. So this before or after is like amazing. I literally could not see the floor, and it was like up to my jeans. So I kept one box of memories from like high school and college, some wrapping paper stuff, bags, braiding hair, all my Korean study stuff from when I was in Korea, bathroom stuff for my apartment, sewing machine, sewing kit that has all the sewing machine stuff in it. This drawer thing I used to keep my jewelry in, all my winter stuff, my jeans. I cleared out a lot of clothes, as you can see, and just my bottoms, my jackets. And this is where I keep my towels and my bed sheets now, so very happy about that. This is so old. My friends gave this to me back in the day before MC Mong got controversial. Look at it, 2009. So 2009 was the year that I got into K-pop. So everything that says 2009, I feel like, wow, that was the year. And I think that's the year it really popped off. But that's my ending of cleaning my room. I had 2 big trash bags full of stuff. Honestly, if I had a bigger space, I would probably do a whole time lapse for you guys and stuff, but I really don't have that much space, so it doesn't take me that long. If I crank out an hour or 2, I can clean up the space, and I'm very happy how decluttered it is. I didn't really touch the bookcase because I can't really get there because of my rack right now, but I think when I move out, I'll touch it. Hey guys, so I threw on a wig because I'm about to film a try on video for you guys, and it's not the best looking. It's a little believable on camera. It's not styled at all, but it'll do because I look like Snoop Doggy Dogg right now, and y'all know I don't usually dress up for my videos, but I thought I would do something about the hair. But here's the hairs that I went through. Let me show you guys. So I have a short number and I have a longer number, but I decided on this one. It gets the job done. It's a little dark, like it looks off in the camera. Well, I guess people are playing outside. You go kids, but hang out with your family only. All right, so lighting's bad right now, but I wanted to do a closet clean out for you guys. You saw the previous clips where I tossed all my clothes out. Ooh, ooh. Whoa, hold on. Whoa. Okay, you guys saw the previous clips where I tossed some stuff out. Ooh, this glare. But I have the pile and I have not gone through it, and I wanted to go through it together. My bag just fell. Okay, so I Maria Kondo'd it. I literally tossed it all in a pile, and I'm just gonna try it on and see which ones I keep and which ones I give away. So let me show you the pile we're working with. And this is my backdrop right here. I haven't put it up yet. Y'all, this is the pile. That's the pile for you. So let's just get started. I'll do a time lapse because people are playing outside and mowing their lawns. So I think my thighs got bigger because I can't even get this past my thighs. So obviously this is a donate, and I think it's in good condition too. Actually, no, I ripped the inner side here. So if you guys know what to do with clothes that you can't sell or you can't donate anymore because it's damaged, please let me know. I'd like to know how to recycle it, but
Ryan Little.
I love these shorts so much. But okay, so when I gain weight, I don't know about you guys, but it all goes in my thighs and my butt, and I love these shorts so much. And they were a little cheeky. I usually don't like cheeky shorts, but they're just so cute. But after I gained weight, I'm so surprised I can't close these shorts, and I haven't worn them since last year, so I'm a little sad right now. Like, they're still in great condition and everything. I'm gonna sell these on Poshmark, so look below. I'm so sad right now, honestly. This is me sucking in. This is me pushing out. Should I get rid of it? Because it just be rolling down like that. So I don't know. I think because I'm debating it, I should just get rid of it. Plus it was on sale and it's from Rue 21, so it probably wasn't more than $20. But well, my belly just out today, but it's not more than $20, so I guess I can sell this. Okay, y'all, so when I got this one, it was tight already, so I'm not surprised, but this is a overall dress. Even if I lost weight in my stomach, if I didn't lose weight in my butt or my thighs, which I don't care about doing, this would not zip. Okay, so you guys have seen this in my last cleaning out my closet giving away video. It sounds weird, but even though I gained weight, and I especially gained like more thighs and butt and all that stuff, these actually fit comfy compared to the last time I had these on in a video. I just don't think this is me anymore. Definitely putting this on the sell list. Alright, so this dress never quite fit me right in the chest area, and right now the slip is like a mini exposing myself kind of thing. So, and it's very noticeable because this dress, although the color looks beautiful on my skin, is you can see the lining because it's thin. You guys might not be able to see it in the camera, but yeah, that's my butt and that's the slip. I love this dress, and it's kind of hard to show you guys how it looks on exactly because I need help putting it on. Okay, next category is sweater dresses, and honestly, I used to love this dress, but the chunky knit, I'm not a chunky knit person, so I don't know if I thought this was gonna last a while, but it's not. But it's so cute. It's still in really good condition. I think I barely wore it. Not right now. It's about to be an array of sweater dresses because I don't know if I want to keep them. Guys, this might be the first item that I might keep. It's kind of looking very sleek on camera, but I don't feel that bad in it, even though it's a bodycon, even though you can see a little roll here or whatever. But it looks good. I think it's just a good basic. I think I'll keep this one in my closet. So we're doing pretty good so far. We're only keeping like one item, so. Y'all, okay, now I'm 100% sure I got more body because when I first bought this, I didn't wear this for the longest. I think I wore it one time because I didn't have enough body to like fill it out. It just looked saggy, and it's supposed to be a more fitted rib knit dress. And so I didn't really wear it, and it was just in my closet. But now I got the body to fill it out, and I'm excited, and I'm keeping this one. So obviously I'd like to get rid of the belly, so it's a little, but ooh, it comes off really bright in the camera, which I like, but it's actually pretty like a deeper red. You know, if I look back and I look crazy with this wig on, you know what? Content. Corona quality content. Sweaters, I like them to fit a little bit more loose in the body, you know, not as tight, and this one's fitting pretty tight. So it's time to let go of this one. We're down to the wire, guys. Ooh, and my wig is down to the wire. All right, I know what you guys are gonna say. Didn't you just get this sweater, la la la? Yes, and I should have returned it because once I washed it, it lost all of its shape, and I've tried to wear it since, you know, I spent my money, so I should wear it type shtick. Okay guys, this is the last item. I love, 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 love this coat, but after I started working out my arms and I gained weight, it just didn't. It's a bit snug. So it's snug in the arms, and I feel like, oh, it's so cute. But like, I don't close these jackets, but the fact that it looks so weird when you try to close it, that's the issue, because you can see that it doesn't come over the chest enough. So that's the thing I don't like about this coat. So I do have a few other items like bags and shoes and chill clothes, but honestly those are an easy no-brainer. I'm just gonna get rid of them or donate them, and some of them I shouldn't donate and I should throw away, like underwear. Out of everything that I tried on, which I tried on every single item, I'm only keeping 5 items. This shirt, I'll just hold it for one more cycle just to see. But these dresses, I really do like them, so I'm keeping them. I was trying to get rid of my bodycon dresses, but obviously I still like these. And this skirt, the stretch was really good. I thought it wasn't gonna fit, but it fit well, and I really love this color and I love the skirt, so I'm gonna keep it because it has rose gold hardware, which is cool. The rest are either going to be on my Poshmark or I'm donating, so be on the lookout for that. And I'll put my Poshmark information down below. And thank you guys for helping me clean out my closet, because let me tell you, there's stuff I need to get rid of, upgrade my style, upgrade this wig. I have better wigs, guys, okay? I played myself. Stay safe, wash your hands, 20 seconds, you know, and just stay in your house so we can get through this. I'm ready for my summer. Bye!